Hi, this is Pam from Wood Camper Crafts, and today I'm going to teach you the half double crochet 3 together. So this is a decrease stitch, and in my work here you can see I've just completed 3 half double crochets. I'm now going to join the next 3 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to join them together. So in the next row there's just 1 stitch. So I'm going to start by yarning over and inserting my hook into the first stitch. I will yarn over and pull through the stitch. I have 1, 2, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, and then insert my hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on my hook. And then I'm going to yarn over and go into this last stitch here, our 3rd stitch. So yarn over and insert your hook into the 3rd and final stitch, yarn over and pull through. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on my hook. And I'm going to now yarn over and pull through all 7 loops on my hook to complete my stitch. You might have to give yourself a helping hand here. I've now completed my half double crochet 3 together. So you can see I've joined 3 stitches here, and I've created just that 1 stitch in the next row. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel.